In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo to email signature in Outlook. Adding your logo to your signature is a quick way to make your emails look polished and on brand. And I'll walk you through it step by step using Outlook on the web. First, open your browser and go to outlook.live.com. Sign in to your account if you aren't already. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right corner and click the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This opens a panel on the right with your Outlook settings. From there, navigate to the account section in the settings menu. Inside account, find and select signatures. This is where you manage the content and design of your email signature. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry, some Outlook versions organize settings differently, but you're looking for the place where you can edit your signature. In the signature editor, click into the spot where you'd like the logo to appear. It could be above your name, next to your contact details, or below them, whatever fits your style. With your cursor in place, choose the option to insert pictures in line. This tells Outlook to place the image directly inside the signature so it displays as part of the message rather than as an attachment. A file picker window will open. Browse to your logo file on your computer, select it, and click Open. Common formats like PNG and JPG work great. If you can, use a version of your logo that's clear but not too large so your emails stay lightweight. Once the image appears in the editor, click it to select it and resize it to a clean, professional look. Drag a corner handle inward to make it smaller while keeping the proportions. A width in the general range of a business card logo, something modest and readable, is usually best. If you make it too big, it can overwhelm the message. Too small, and it becomes hard to see. Aim for a balanced, crisp appearance alongside your text. After you're happy with the placement and size, click Save. That's it. Your signature now includes your logo, and Outlook will insert it whenever you use that signature. If you ever want to adjust the size or swap the image, just come back to the same signatures area and make your edits. Quick recap, go to outlook.live.com, open settings, head to account, select signatures, insert your logo in line, resize it to fit nicely with your text, and save your changes. With that, your emails will look more professional and consistent with your brand.